Hi guys, this is Taylor here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. Today I'm standing on a 2020 Scarab 195 ID. Starting in the back here, big giant swim platform, sea deck matting. As you make your way through the boat, middle walk through here, beefed up cushion so you can walk on. Coming in the boat, you've got speakers, kicker sound system. It's nice snap-in sea deck here. You have bolster seating on both these seats so you can see over the windshield if you want. Nice tower with wakeboard racks on the sides. GPS, everything on here as far as electronics go. Wake ballast system as well. This boat will hold 8 people. Lots of seating up front as well. Storage locker there. Storage up front. More storage down here. And glove box right here. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit our website at MarineMax.com. Thank you.